See a lot of tan. Is that something different? Like a double bubble of power, and I kind of split them both open. This side has really cool. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Back at, I don't know what you want to call it. Cutout, Harrodsburg cutout prospect. The big bad good Harrodsburg exit cutout, just basically that hill right there. But I'm in a creek on the other side of the hill. I'm gonna try again. I haven't tried since last year. There's a little gravel road off the main road. It goes down to a water treatment plant. And just see a lot of tan. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I kind of know what I'm looking for a little better this time. Oh goodness. Like this. This may have been from me, but that's what I want to see. Quartz. I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna do some searching. Just pulled this out and it feels kind of heavy. I don't know if that's a geode or not, but it looks like limestone. It looks like a turd. Try this one. I feel like everything here is from down this creek. It's kind of just flown. I don't know, I'm sure there's some term for it. There's a geode on the rock there. I'll start with a small boy. Of course. Looks like some embedded fossil on the side of it. Might be barite. Looks like it might be barite, but it's completely solidified. I think that's barite. It's just full. Yeah, it's mostly solid. Honestly, it looks like a fossil. Could try and beat it again. Yep, waste of energy. See a few smaller ones here. Okay. That one. This one. And this one. Oh my god, that's cold. Oh god. Whew. Potato. Quartz. Anyways, I'm gonna keep searching. Let's see if it's anything good. Nope. And nope. Go down a little bit this way. Whew. Yeah, it doesn't look like very good. No. It's slippery. There we go. One dirty geode. Dirt. that something different? I don't know. Quartz with some fossils in it. Is it like pyrite or something? I don't know. Strolling along, maybe, I don't know, a few hundred feet, and caught this one. It was kind of like a double bubble of power, and I kind of split them both open. This side has really cool, I think, calcite, but it's got really weird like formations on the surface, and I'm afraid I'm gonna like wipe it off, and I think I'm wiping it off. I'm so stupid. And I got this one that looks like calcite and dolomite, maybe some other weird crystals in there. I don't know if it's also dolomite, but they're really weird shaped. Almost like calcite, like a rhombic formation, but I don't know, I'll take this one. I've already got calcite like that. And it's nice and small, I don't have to worry about it. This one's light. Maybe not. Quartz. Really cool looking quartz. The things we do for rocks. The things we do for rocks. You're like walking through the woods and the trees and the killer bees, and you feeling though a part of you was burning, and you realize it's the stinger in your butt, and you think you're gonna get out, but the pain it makes you pass out. New video. Very light geode. Another very light geode. Solid. Start with these few and get on with it. There's another one. Feels nice and light-ish. It looks like a Borden bomb. A relatively light board. God, there's that one's hollow. It's really a lot of light geodes. That's good for me. Let's see what we can come up with. Maybe we'll get some barite. There's calcite. Yeah, that's calcite. Calcite bomb. It's a really light feeling Borden bomb. I'm kind of excited. I may have been wrong, but I also may have been right. It's a Borden bomb, but it's just quartz. Oh, boom. This one looks more like a either a Harrodsburg or a Ramp Creek. Might be a Ramp Creek with some weathering to it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh. Quartz. Just picked this one up and then I rattled it, and then a little bryozoan colony. But I picked it up and it rattled and it almost scared me, and I cracked it open and I saw this, and I don't know what it is. I tried scratching it to see if it's calcite, but it seems pretty hard. So I'm gonna take it home. I think I saw some over here. That's a rock. Never mind. Let's see what we got. Sounds hollow. Gotta be gentle. If there's barite in it, I'm gonna be happy. Oh, that's so gemmy. But not a lick of barite. Son of a bitch. But damn, that's gemmy. Look at that. Dang. And that's a surefire Harrodsburg Herkimer. I don't know. Damn. This would be a perfect specimen to have barite in, but there's not. So this one's probably gonna. That's a shame. It's all right though. Yeah. This hammer is just getting ready to fall apart. Gotta be careful. It's really getting ready to fall apart. Well, when in doubt, I guess I have another hammer up in the car, but it's not as big. Just gotta find ones that aren't as. This one's at least got a cavity. I can hear it rattling. I think they're 2 rattlers. This water is frigid. It's probably like 30 or 40 degrees, I guess. But I got a smaller rock hammer. I don't know how long it'll last. This is a nice light tan geode. This is definitely a Ramp Creek geode. So I'm gonna be real gentle with it. Fingers crossed, it's really hollow. And it's exploding. There's just no real good way to. Quartz. That is quartz. Nice geode though. Very nice. Broke nice too. Dolomite. Ah, this is making my ears ring. Dolomite. Dolomite. Poop. Well, this one feels about 50%, if not totally full. This one is light in it. Rattles a little bit. This one might be good. I feel it's probably quartz, but you never know. This one I don't know. America! Yeah, it's mostly solid. This one though is not. Ooh, it's cracking. Yeah, it's hollow. Oh, that's satisfying. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Barite! Oh, my dreams are coming true. Yes! We just did it, guys. Hopefully that's not broken. Oh my God, yes! Oh, that is, oh my God, yes. Dolomite, quartz, and barite. Oh, the dopamine. Wow. Wow. Oh God, I hope that I didn't break that barite off. Look at these blades. Wow, wow. I sincerely hope. Oh, come on. It didn't feel like I did. I think that one's okay. Look at that. Oh, that's so lustrous. This one got a little bit of barite on this side. Wow. Holy moly. Yep, it's good. We're good. Just the very, very tip right here is a perfectly clear, tiny little blade. Right there. That right here is so tiny and perfect.